After recovering from our Aleutian Triangle nightmare, we left Resolution Cove and headed to Hot Springs Cove, which was about a 30 nautical mile trip. We had no problems going around Estevan Point because the weather was perfect. However, we did encounter heavy fog coming into Hot Springs Cove. It's a 2-kilometer hike down the boardwalk to get to the hot springs, which includes about 800 steps. There are also, I think I counted 4 or 5 benches along the boardwalk. Water shoes are recommended. It's sharp and slippery once you leave the boardwalk. The view was breathtaking.